What's up, guys? It's Luke, and we are gonna test and unbox it. We're gonna unbox this thing. It's the Voicel MC-50. I think it was Pixel MC-50 on the on the Amazon site I saw. But anyway, we're gonna unbox this thing in front of your eyeballs. You're gonna hear crappy audios, mostly because I'm recording with the camera audio right now. So that loud gurgling in the background is my refrigerator. So you get the box. You don't need the box. You get this plastic that covers it. You don't need that. You get the owner's manual. Also don't need that. You get the bottom sheath, and you don't need that. So then we have the microphone. Pixel MC-50 is kind of cool looking. It's not bad at all. 30 bucks. You have buttons here, and as you can see, it is low cut, on off, -10, 0, and +10 decibels, which is cool. You have settings on a cheap microphone. Let's test it out. Okay, so now the microphone is literally at arm's length. That's where the camera is. I do a lot of my videos about 3 feet away, but I'm just doing this test right on the camera for interview style. We're testing at 0, not on low cut, just 0 plain setting now, and I'm not going to change my voice at all. I'm going to flip it over to 10 decibels. I hope you heard the click. I hope you heard the click. This is 10 decibels. I'm purposely talking like kind of quiet this whole video because it's a test of audio. So we're gonna see what we got. Now back to 0 and 1 click, and I'm to -10 decibels. I will also test it under low cut at arm's length. I'm literally holding my arms out here. And now low cut at -10. Low cut at 0, and low cut at low cut at 10, +10. I'm gonna go set this up on my stand and go kind of in the background and do all those settings for you over again, and you guys can make your own judgment on whether or not this is a piece of shit or not, because I can't hear it yet. Okay. Alright, so we're standing back here now. I'm going to talk about normal video pace levels. And I am at low cut, or I'm completely back to 0. That's where we're going to test it. I can see on the camera that the audio is picking up pretty well from over there, so that's pretty sweet. We're going to just test those other settings real quick. So this is on 0, talking my normal, how I talk. And yeah, so okay, so now we're at -10 decibels. This is what? Same talking speed, same distance away, nothing moved. I'm kind of like using my arm here as a guide of putting my forearm on this little knob, so I'm at the same spot every time, leaning. Let's go. Now we're at +10 decibels. I don't know what it sounds like yet because I haven't edited this, so we're gonna do a little voiceover at the end probably, but this is a +10. Okay, so low cut is on now at +10. Low cut is on now at 0. And now low cut is on at -10. So what do you guys think? I'm not an audio expert, so we're at -10. This is picking me up. I'm gonna switch it all to 0 real quick, and my guess is that 0 is probably what I'm gonna always use if it sounds alright. But yeah, so let's do something inspirational and actually edit this video. I'm at 0. In front of the camera. I'm not like goofing off or outside or anything. I have a fairly quiet apartment. My fridge is kind of loud, but if you hear humming in the background, that's what it is. So yeah. let's finish this shit up. Alright, so I'm not sure what else to test to do. Let's just review the tape. Okay? Let's review the tape. Okay, so I'm outside, so if you hear some wind or whatever, sorry. I got it on low cut right now. I'm using the MC-50, whatever. Yeah. Real quick disclaimers to finish this vid. I used Pro CC, Adobe Pro CC. I'm not a good editor, but the high 10 or positive 10 decibels was wicked loud. It was blowing speakers loud. So I actually edited that down. I set all tracks to a max peak of -6 decibels, just because that seems to be a good formula for YouTube videos. So that's the disclaimer there. But you could actually tell the thing works. I mean, it's $30, so if you're looking to upgrade your audio just a little bit, hell yeah, it's worth it. I'm not if I was like a filmmaker, yeah, maybe I'd invest in something like a Rode or something, but for my intents and purposes and my videos, this thing is just gonna work fine. And if it breaks, it was only $30. It's not like I spent $200 on a video, you know what I mean, or a video mic. So yeah, I would say it's definitely worth it. I'll give it a shot if you're just looking to get a good little shotgun mic. I think low cut sounded probably the best, just because it kind of canceled out some of that extra sound, but it was pretty quiet, so you gotta get the mic right on you. But other than that, I think, yeah, go for it. It was good. I'm glad I bought it. So that's my 2 cents. I know I'm not the most energetic spokesperson, but I got out of work and I got that on the way home. So stay tuned. Spring's coming. I will be putting more blading videos out as soon as I can. Subscribe if you want to see more. Comment. Appreciate it. Deuces.